Hey, to install iPhone keyboard on the Realme Note 50, all you have to do is just to open the Google Play Store, be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and now tap on the search. Now you will have to input this phrase, the green Apple keyboard. And now select this application from the Arvin apps and click on the install button. Now we just have to wait a few moments until the download process will be finished. Now we can open it. Click to enable in the settings. Then select the green Apple keyboard and tap on the switcher. Click OK. Do this second time. Now we can go back. Click to switch input methods and select English green Apple keyboard and now tap finished. From this you can also change theme of your Apple keyboard, like you can get dark red, blue or military green theme. Now when we open our keyboard, you will be actually get the lookalike iOS keyboard. So this is it for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.